Honor Furr was a British scientist and zoologist who pioneered the development of experimental methods in organ culture, tissue culture, and cell biology. She was born in Yorkshire on the 22nd of May 1900 to a father, William Edwin Fell, who was a farmer, and her mother, Alicia Fell, who was a carpenter. She had 6 sisters and 2 brothers. At 16, she moved to St Andrews to complete her secondary education, and later in 1922 she graduated from the University of Edinburgh with a Master's in Zoology. After she graduated, she moved to Cambridge, where she became a research assistant to Dr. Thomas Strangeray at the Strangeray Laboratory, and where she later earned a PhD. 3 years after he died, she became director and held this position until she retired in 1970. And during this time, she developed a way of studying live tissue cultures. Cells can be specialized to carry out specific functions. A group of cells that work together to perform a specific function is called a tissue. And organs are a group of tissues that work together. When Fell's career began, it was hard to study live tissue cultures. So she and her team developed a way of cultivating live human cells and creating tissue that could be studied in the lab. These tissues could come from any organ, such as the heart, the lungs, the liver, or the kidneys. She cultured these cells in vitro, which means outside their normal biological context, and in this case, inside a lab. She used this method to do further research on the effects of vitamin A on bone and cartilage. Researchers continue to use this method today, and it's been important in discoveries in both the medical and biological fields.